Hello, this is Eddie with Fast Eddie's. We're out here in Skytook, Oklahoma, looking at a GE profile side by side here, and there's no cool inside the refrigerator. They had went to bed, everything was fine. Woke up next day, the freezer had some frost inside, and the refrigerator was totally dead, even hot even. Okay. When I arrived here, the actual display had nothing lit up, and the light was on. I reached inside, and I could feel the heat on the shelf. They had said the light went out at some point, and so I kind of thought right away with the light being going on and off, and maybe it just gotten so hot the light had just lost connection inside the plug. So when we looked down, right there, the door switch is busted. So we're going to get that door switch replaced. Everything should be fine. We got some sort of error code, I'm sure, to do with the light there being on, getting hot. But I'm sure we're going to get that gone. We'll report back once it's the parts in. After resetting it, unplugging it and resetting the unit, did a check on it here. Come with -1, so we set the temperature to 0 on that, which is factory recommended. Then we come over here to this side, and it said TE, so I'm gonna guess thermal error, which makes sense. So set our temperature to 37. There is air coming out of the port here, so it should be good. Just got to replace that switch.